All right, here's a video how to clean a moonfish. First, you get your moonfish. You gotta catch it. Yes, sir. Cut right above this lateral line. Boom. Cut it down. Work the back. Boom. Get the fillet. Boom. One fillet. Peel the skin. There it is. Beautiful moonfish fillet. No bones, no skin. Flip it over. Do the same to the other side. Cut above that lateral line. There's a little bone there. Work the top of the shoulder there. There's a moonfish fillet. Got the skin. Peel it with your fingers. Simple as that. It's called a look down, but we call it a moonfish. It's short for look down. Peel the skin. No skin, no bones. 2 fillets, 1 moonfish. Catch a bucket of moonfish, you got a bucket of fillets. That's it, Jack. Tastes better than snapper.